Good morning, good morning. You guys, I just finished my makeup. It's not done, completely done, but yeah, your girl look good. Yes, ma'am. Now I'm gonna put some mascara. I don't want to wear lashes today. It's a long ride, so your girl just gonna put some mascara on my natural lashes, y'all. I hope you all having a great morning, a great day, great night from wherever you guys are watching. We are in Georgia, y'all. Super cold. It's so cold, y'all. It's cold. It is different. It's not like Florida. I mean, it's not like, it's not like Tampa. We get cold, but not like that. This one is different. Should I do the bottom? Comment down below, you guys. What y'all think? I really love this hair. All you need, baby girl, is some water. Some water in your finger. Hey, y'all. Oh, your girl gonna put some lip gloss. A little bit. Oh, it's going on 2 minutes? No, ma'am. I got hair all over, y'all. Oh, I put too much. All right, I'm gonna touch my face and under my neck a little bit. And that's it. Hey.